Hello guys, my name is Tina. Welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm running a small account challenge for myself. It's just a $5 challenge. This is just it's kind of, I'm challenging myself, and I'm also motivating you guys that it's possible to start small in forex. It's really possible to flip small account. Okay guys, as you can see my balance, I have $5. Okay, I have $5 in this account. So the goal is to flip this $5 to $5,000. I don't know how long it will take. Okay, this might take months, couple of months. Okay, so guys, I'll keep updating you guys. I'm gonna make this video into episodes. Like, it's a series. We're gonna be having episodes. This is episode 1. Okay, I'm gonna be updating you guys on how this challenge is going. Okay guys, with that being said, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Okay, in the next episode. Okay, so my name remains Tina. Peace out.